we have a bunch of squishies here, so we're not going to be going all of them, but in the next video we're going to have a part 2 so we can look at everything. So we have some squishies. Ooh, I'm excited. Let's dip our hands. All right, let's see what we're going to do. All right, the first squishy we have is this little cake. This is super cute. This is gonna be the first squishy we're gonna get out of the box. This one is a cute little cake squishy. Has cute little eyes and sprinkles. We're gonna squish it. All right, super squishy. Ooh, it's gonna go. This one's super slow rising. Alright, now my helper is going to be now picking a squishy up. Alright, it looks like she picked it. This one is going to be the next one. This one is a cute little narwhal. She is super squishy. Alright, this is really rainbow. It's a little bit destroying, but it's still super duper cute. I'm gonna squish it one time. You can see that there's some big squishies right over there. We're gonna be actually opening those ones up in the part 2. So stay tuned for that, you guys. We're gonna now I'm gonna reach into my hands. Alright. See which one I'm gonna get. Okay, looks like I got this one. This one is destroying too. These are really old squishies, but they're still in great shape. You can see this one is super duper squishy squish. We're gonna slow rise it. Squish. Alright, what's gonna be the next one? Oh my goodness, it looks like the teapot. So this one is super cute. This one is like a teapot with purple yellow hearts. This one's super squishy. This one's the slow rising. Alright, I'm gonna reach my hand in. Oh, here is one. Okay, you guys, this one is super slow rising. It's like a little tiny sandwich. Super squishy.
Let's squish it out. It's going up. This one is super cute, and this one is so slow rising.
Right, my helper turn is gonna get a squishy. Okay, you guys, this is the next one. This one is super cute. This one. Alright, this is the one. It's super squishy, squish. You can see the little cherries or like the fruit and the cute face. Oh my gosh, this one is super squishy too. All of the squishies are so slow rising. Right, we have a bunch of squishies here. We're gonna mix it up. And we're gonna pick one. Ooh, look at this one. Super duper squishy. This one is slow rising. Like, this is the most slow rising squishy in the whole entire world. It's like a little burrito. Right? Have a bunch more squishies left. Let's see which one she's gonna pick. Ooh. Looks like it has a cute little happy face on it, and it looks like it's a lemon. This one is super slow rising. Ooh. Oh. Look at this.